The phrase, interior design, is mentioned so frequently, but what does it actually entail? What does an interior designer do most of the time? To help you run through everything, we have compiled this 3 minutes video, so watch till the end. Interior design is the art and science of enhancing the interior of a building to achieve a healthier and more aesthetically pleasing environment for the people using the space. It is the art and science of creating functional, safe and beautiful spaces that meet the needs of the people who use them. It is a multifaceted profession that includes conceptual development, space planning, site inspections, programming, research, communicating with the stakeholders of a project, construction management, and execution of the design. Interior design is all about how we experience spaces. It's a powerful, essential part of our daily lives and affects how we live, work, play, and even heal. Comfortable homes, functional workplaces, beautiful public spaces, that's interior design at work. What does an interior designer do? An interior designer's job is to create functional and aesthetically pleasing spaces that are safe and accessible for the people who use them. They also consider the impact of the space on the environment and the well-being of the people using it. They create a design concept and space plan, which is a detailed layout of the space that shows the location of walls, doors, windows, and fixed elements such as cabinetry and fireplaces. They also specify materials and finishes, such as paint colors, wall coverings, flooring, and lighting fixtures. Interior designers also work closely with other professionals, such as architects and builders, to ensure that the design concept is feasible and that construction proceeds according to plan. They may also be responsible for selecting and specifying furniture, accessories, and artwork, as well as overseeing the installation of these items. They work with clients to understand their needs and preferences and use that information to create functional and beautiful spaces.